Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafty Chris. I am Chris. And today I'm going to be using a lot of stuff from Tim Holtz. Almost everything. I'm going to be using the little witch with the cat on it. I'm going to be using his mini stencil set. I'm going to be using the bats out of this, and then the moon. The layering mask moon, I'm going to be using the smallest one. And then some inks. Right now I have out Black Soot, Dusty Concord, Villainous Potion, Dried Marmalade, and Antique Linen. This is for the moon and this is for the background, but if you've watched very many of my videos, you know I usually bring in more or don't use as many. So who knows? So let's start crafting. Not sure how I'm going to do the moon, because this goes like this. And then this layer's on top of here. So I think I'm going to start with Venomous Potion and just kind of hold this down, but we're going to tape it down. I'm still going to have to hold it whenever I go around it. This is just mint tape from scrapbook.com. I think I'm going to need my sticky mat. Let me get my sticky mat out. Now we're going to go in with Dusty Concord. Now we're going to go in with some Black Soot. Ooh, pretty. I need Antique Linen. So I'm going to try to just okay. Now the dried marmalade kind of goes on there, so I'm just going to hold it. Isn't always my expertise here. But I'm going to kind of do around the moon in order for it to look like it's glowing, but without trying to move it too much. Ooh, pretty. Then I'm going to bring in the bats. We're going to bring back our Black Soot. Well, let me I know me, I don't know why I was thinking I could do this without masking this off. Okay. Oops. Little piece right there. I'm going to put this on pretty heavy, so I need to make sure that it is. Especially around the purple and the black that I've already done. So I'm going to put a few layers of ink on these bats. Okay. Oh, look how pretty that is. And I'm going to take some water. Let me just spray some in my hand. And it's supposed to be water reactive, right? I've seen them do it on... Let's see what that does. It may not do anything. That's just plain water. Maybe I'm supposed to dry it off. Ah, that's cool. Y'all, is that not fun? You see how easy that was? Look at that. Let's bring in our dies. Are they in there? Oh, there they are. I was like, oh no. I was thinking I forgot to put them back in there. Okay, I'm not going to use the stars, but I am going to use black for this, gray for the cat, only because why not? Let me put all this stuff up so I don't get ink all over the place. Okay, I don't need this whole piece. I need to clean my scissors. I have a gray cat. And I may cut this out twice to have 2 layers. I don't know yet. Should we do the cat in black? Let me cut the cat out in black and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I like it better with the black. We're going to stick with the black. Okay, this is completely dry, so before I get it ready to put on my card base, I'm just going to make sure that it is 4.25 by 4.25 by 5.5, because this is Michael's cardstock. Let's see, so 5.5. Not too bad. Okay. How cute is she? Okay. We are going to pop her up though. Okay, where's our kitty? Okay, so before we put this cat down, let's get our card base, because I would like to stamp on the inside of the card. And separate these, because I can recycle that. And this. Okay. I have this from Holtz. I'm not going to need the dies. So we're just going to go with a little hocus pocus. Let's go with that one. Where's my mister? Oh, there it is. It wasn't where I normally keep it. Okay. I do need to take this out. Because anytime you're using those, you need to take that out. I'm just going to put this right here. Make sure it's kind of straight as we can get it. The Nocturne ink. Oh, first time using that Stampin' Look. Since I'm not putting a sentiment on the front, I'm going to put a sentiment in the card. These backings are so easy to get off. I'm going to squeeze this foam in there. This would have been a perfect time to use the black, but I don't think I have the black in the little ones. Okay. We're going to get out the white Pawsitively Perfect Splatter. If I can find it. There it is. Perfect white. AR says not to shake this. I was shaking it the other day and the lid wasn't all the way on there. And I got splatter all over me. I splattered myself. Oh. I don't know if that's video posted or not yet. But there we have it. And we stamped on the inside. I'm trying to be careful. Take that out so I don't forget it's in there. Thank you for joining me for today's video. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And please follow me on all my other social media channels. Until next time, stay crafty, my friends, and check out some of my other videos here.